Ben Franklin said the only thing that are certain are death and taxes. Well, we'll talk about taxes. We rarely talk about death, but financial experts say life insurance is really important. Now, Deanna, there are so many types and it seems really complicated.
Oh, it is complicated, it is. But it's important to understand it because your situation and your family's needs really dictate the kind of policy that's best for you.
If you love someone, you likely need life insurance, and it's especially important if you're the primary wage earner. So I decided to get some advice from financial expert and CEO of Investment, Jarrett Felton.
How do you go about looking at what is best for you and your family?
There's term insurance, there's permanent, and under permanent we have whole life and we have universal.
Let's go in depth. First, term insurance, and as the name implies, you pay for it for a term of usually 10 to 30 years, and it provides a fixed amount for your loved ones. Then there's whole life insurance, aptly named because you pay the same premium your whole life. It's usually the most expensive, but it builds cash value over time, and your beneficiaries are guaranteed a fixed amount. Universal is cheaper than whole life, and you also pay for it over a lifetime, but you can adjust your premiums within limits. It builds cash based on market interest rates, and the amount of the death benefit is not guaranteed. You pay premiums for variable life insurance over a lifetime, and the cash value is tied to market investments. Therefore, the amount received is flexible, but your family is guaranteed a fixed death benefit. And burial insurance is for just that, to cover your burial and end-of-life expenses. You pay for it over a lifetime, and your family is guaranteed a fixed amount. Term life insurance is generally considered the most popular and is less expensive.
So it's a guaranteed death benefit and a level premium for maybe a 10-year period, 20 or a 30-year period.
So if you outlive your term life insurance, you get nothing?
It could cancel. It would cancel.
That's the downside, but a good choice to cover your working years. So if you die early, your spouse can pay for immediate needs.
For those that have term insurance, I would encourage you to step number one, reach out to your insurance agent and or maybe go directly to the source of the insurance company and ask for what's called an in-force illustration. That will tell you how many years remaining do you have on your policy. That will tell you what your premium is right now until the policy ends.
In-force illustration. Now, if your eyes are just a little glazed over, I get it, it's a lot. So I've provided a link to one of the best sources that I've seen that explains your options clearly and simply. That's in the body of this story on our website, WHEC.com.
All right. Thank you, Dee.
Sure.